How to view deleted messages on WhatsApp. Let's begin with the video. To begin with, let's turn on floating notification. First go to your phone settings. Next tap on notification and status bar. From there select floating notification. Now scroll through the app list and enable WhatsApp. By doing this, even if a sender deletes the message, it might still appear in your floating notification. For the next method, go back and open the WhatsApp on your phone. Then tap the three vertical dots at the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, choose Settings. Now tap on Chats. Then select Chat Backup. Here choose your Google account for storing the backup. Next, under the Automatic Backup, pick how often you want the backup to happen. If you would like to include video, toggle on the switch next to Include Video. Finally, hit on the backup to start saving your chat instantly. After the backup is complete, you can go back and review your deleted messages. And that's it. This is how to view deleted messages on WhatsApp.